Morning, guys. So I'll be doing this on a multi-phase way. I'll be cleaning it up today, wait for it to dry, sand it down with the wire brushes, look at it, see how the condition, and then take the next steps, which is perhaps apply primer or actually just apply the protective underbody coat. But I'll keep you guys posted. But for now, it's really just cleaning it up with some soap, water, and a brush, and see how that goes. Guys, so I've spent about 1 hour with this brush, and I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing already. So as you can see here, there's a lot of surface rust. I'm planning to spend a lot more time doing this tomorrow, but wanted to show you that after cleaning it up and brushing it with the drill, a lot is coming out, and with the right tips I can make even better progress here. But yeah, it's not as bad as it seemed. On this side here as well, pretty happy with the progress. This area will require different tips, but yeah, cleaning up nicely in some areas. Guys, so next phase of the project, resume the cleanup and then apply the protective coat. We'll spend a little bit longer today, clean it up, and then start applying. And what I use is this one. So we'll use this tip now to try to access the more difficult and smaller spots, and let's see how that goes. So this is after spending about half an hour more today using the other tip. There's a lot of dust, just so you know, before all the comments and everything. There's a lot of dust. I did not wipe it clean yet, so it should look much better. And the same there. And before anything else, this is not a professional job, just trying to minimize and improve the current condition. It does look okay. At some point I will have to buy brand new ones, I know that, or have it professionally done, but I think for now it's okay. And during inspection, they will also tell if there's anything dangerous, if there's anything that needs to be done. So yeah. So after spending a few hours, I'm going to start actually cleaning it up a little bit and prepare to apply protection. There's a lot of dust still, but it actually looks okay, and some areas look pretty similar to what it looked like before. But yeah, cleaning it up, start spraying it in a moment. And yeah, let's see how long this one will last. I'm mainly looking to apply in the structure pieces right here, right here. That's the main concerning one. Some other ones can be removed, replaced more easily. So yeah, let's see how that goes. This is after the first round. I'm gonna wait an hour or two to dry. Again, focusing on the main areas of the subframe. Some of these little parts can be replaced at home, but I know some of the other ones, to remove bolts or anything, it would be a big task for me to do at home. So just trying to do what I can here. But yeah, after the first round, that's what it looks like. So 6 to 8 hours later, I'm done with my DIY project. I wanted to show you guys the outcome. I'm pleased with it. Again, I know it's not perfect, it's not professional. However, if we compare the condition to the previous time, it's in pretty similar condition, which means it's doing what I'm expecting it to do, which is to prevent real damage, make this last as long as possible with as little expenses as possible. So I'm pleased with it, but I know some areas I could not reach, or I have not been able to remove certain bolts and some parts. I'm not gonna go deep into that because I don't want to mess up anything and not be able to put them back. And yeah, look at that. Again, pretty happy with it. I did play a bit with a flat head to check whether there is any spots that I should be concerned about. That is not the case. I did check that. I've played with this before with a friend who had a classic car from the 60s, and the rust condition was pretty poor. That the flat head would go through in a lot of spots. This is not the case. Again, pretty happy with it. Just as a summary, 6 to 8 hours. I did not address absolutely everything, but I did address the main parts that I was concerned about. Yeah, again, happy with it. Using a drill tips, wire brushes, and Hammerite underbody sealant, which I'll show you a picture in a moment. But yeah, guys, again, always open to comments, but I am pleased with the outcome. This is far from perfect, but again, I'm satisfied. Thanks.